So this is the front starboard engine mount. It's connected to the flooring, or whatever you call it, the housing in the engine bay, by 2 bolts. I have already removed those. But then again, it's connected to this piece right here, which sits into the engine. And that is connected by 4 bolts. Now, as I've already removed the first 2 bolts, I only need to remove these 4 to get the engine mount out. But before I started removing the bolts or the engine mounts, I have just supported the engine with a small, what do you call this in English? I don't know. Yeah, you know what it is. You can see it. And then a piece of plywood just underneath it. It should support the engine good enough for me to avoid that it kind of drops into the bay. Because I want it to remain as level as possible during the exchange of the engine mounts.